All right, so what are we doing here? We have...
It says connect pressure gauges to suction and discharge, measure air temperature to outdoor coil for cooling, indoor for heating. So basically just the ambient temperature out here. Place an X on the appropriate chart where the suction and discharge pressure cross. If X is below the ambient temperature line, add charge and repeat step 3. If X is above ambient temperature line, recover excess. So if it's above, it has too much refrigerant. If it's below, it has not enough.
Yeah.
Basically.
What's the ambient temperature out here? It's got to be close to
like
90.
8.
Imagine it's probably close to 90 degrees out here, which would put that here.
Which, I mean, it's, hold on. It says, yeah, 90.
It's 90. Okay, so we're at 90, which is right about here in the middle. And then we were at
380 on the high side.
380, so we're here.
And we were at 145 on the low side. Look, if you're at 380 here, at that line right there, it starts, you're at 145. Coming up. Coming up. Oh, yeah, it is below.
It's below, so the chart is saying if X is below ambient temperature line, add.
And repeat step 3.
Okay, so that it's not overcharged.
No.
All right.